Well, I was going to actually do this another time when the weather's a bit better, but I'm just out on my travels today. This is the old Poulton to Fleetwood train line. It's all closed off. I'm not 100% sure if you're allowed on here, but it'd be interesting to have a bit of a walk up and see. When the weather's a bit better, I'll try and do a long video along here. Yeah, apparently there used to be trains that ran to Fleetwood. Looks more like a scene out of The Walking Dead now. Could like actually film that in here. Bet it comes to some sort of dead end before long. I was looking on the maps, and it does go all the way, but whether parts are going to be fenced off, like overgrown like this, I'm not sure. But one day we could try and do like the whole thing. I know there was talk of getting this reopened at one point. I think they're going to have a job. I'm not going to try and scurry the bike through there, but I will scout up a bit and have a look. I don't think anyone's going to steal my bike there. If people have been here, there's a path of some kind, isn't there? I don't want to walk too far away from my bike. Hey, the tracks are there. That's a mountainous way, I think. Yeah, that's a mountainous way at the top there. Ah, so you can get further down. I think there's like an unused rail station in Poulton still. Like there's a cafe in that there. You follow it the other way. Area, I bet it's cool to come here at night. Oh god, we've got caught in a front. Ha! And again. I bet there's some ghosts along here. Wasn't even planning on doing a video, I just came across it. Thought it might be interesting to have a bit of a walk up. Don't think bringing the bike's a good idea if I am going to do like a full walk up at some point, but it's a fair few miles long. This is just a little section of it near Poulton. I could walk up the other way and see what's the other side, but I'm guessing that's going to be blocked off too. Oh, swap arms. Oh, not got my gimbal on my phone. Kind of bird gardens there. Oh, there's a tree there. What the fuck? It's definitely not as smooth to ride as the tram tracks up on the prom, this. Ugh. Imagine back in the day it used to be proper trains running through here. I wonder if they, well, they probably did because they took cargo, didn't they, to the ICI and that. But they were big freight trains. Yeah, it's not going to be proper blocked off down here, isn't it? Talk about edgelands and hauntology. Yeah, we'll definitely have to do a bigger video of this, maybe when the weather gets better in the summer. That must used to be the old station house or something, maybe. Dike of some kind down there. Yeah, just a quick one on that. Cool, isn't it? Right, I'll leave it there. Cheers.